Presenting the Kia 2018 Optima S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, AM/FM MP3/Sirius XM audio system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.